Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best electric grills on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Grill. The Hamilton Beach Electric Grill is a game changer for indoor cooking. This versatile appliance lets you enjoy outdoor-style cooking no matter the weather. With a searing heat of up to 450 degrees F, 232 degrees C, it locks in flavor and juices for various dishes. The grilling surface is 118 square inches with a viewing window, and the non-stick plate is easy to clean. You also get adjustable temperatures from 200 degrees F to 450 degrees F and a large drip tray to catch juices. What we like about it: easy to assemble and clean. Doesn't take up much counter space. The grease catcher keeps the grilling area clean. What we don't like about it: the grease catcher is not dishwasher safe. Number 2. George Foreman Electric Grill. If you're searching for a smaller, space-saving version of a classic indoor grill and panini press, look no further than the George Foreman Electric Grill. This product is ideal for couples or those living in small apartments, as it can fit 2 servings of your favorite grilled dishes into an incredibly compact form factor. It also boasts an advanced George Tough non-stick coating that's 3 times more durable than similar products. This special coating ensures easy cleaning and eliminates adding butter or oil to your cooking surface. What we like about it: space-saving for small apartments. Advanced non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Adjustable grilling angle for fat removal. What we don't like about it: limited to 2 servings at a time. Number 3. Power XL Electric Grill. The Power XL Electric Grill is the perfect solution for year-round grilling. With a generous grilling surface of 13.75 to 8, you can easily grill up to 3 racks of ribs or 8 burgers at once. If you're looking for a healthier grilling option, its non-stick ceramic grill surface with non-stick Ceramtech coating means you can skip the oil or fat, and delicate fish won't stick to the surface. No more scrubbing is required. What we like about it: efficient cooking with quick results. Versatile for a variety of dishes. Easy to clean and maintain. What we don't like about it: limited capacity for large gatherings. Number 4. Elite Gourmet Electric Grill. If you're a barbecue enthusiast who loves cooking outdoors but hates the rain, the Elite Gourmet Electric Grill is the perfect solution. Its large 14-inch grilling surface and non-stick coating make it easy to cook all your favorite foods at once without any sticking. The circular heating element ensures even and quick heating, while the cool touch base and handles prevent accidents. You can also adjust the temperature with the removable 120 volts/1300 watts thermostat control, which has 5 settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like about it: reliable FOA-free non-stick coating. Detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. What we don't like about it: requires an electrical outlet. Number 5. Gotham Steel Electric Grill. The Gotham Steel Smokeless Indoor Grill is a commendable choice for anyone who loves tasty food but hates the mess and hassle of traditional grilling. With its adjustable heating and innovative smokeless technology, you can now enjoy perfectly grilled foods right in the comfort of your home, anytime you want. The unique design of this indoor smokeless grill ensures even heating across the entire surface, guaranteeing perfectly cooked food every time. What we like about it: smokeless technology for indoor grilling. Perfect cooking with adjustable heating and temperature. Durable, non-stick ceramic and titanium coating. What we don't like about it: limited cooking surface for larger meals. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.